Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to go about editing contact informations on Yahoo Mail. So if you have contacts and you want to update or remove certain pieces of informations, then I'll show you how to do that. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to log in your Yahoo account. So open lang natin ang ating Chrome web browser. And then once nakapag-login ka na, so ganito yung makikita mo dito sa ating Yahoo homepage. And then next step, dito lang sa upper right side, makikita mo dito yung Yahoo Mail inbox natin. Ito siya. So itap mo lang yan. And madadirect tayo dito sa ating Yahoo inbox. Okay? So ang next step, so kung paano ba natin i-edit yung contact informations. So dito lang sa upper right side mga kaibigan. So makikita mo na dito yung options na pwede mong i-select. So nandito na yung contacts, yung calendar, and then yung notepad. Okay? So i-select mo lang itong contact. So tap mo lang yan. And lalabas na kagad dito yung ating mga contacts. Okay? So kung paano ba natin ito i-edit yung kanyang informations. So, sinik mo lang dito kung anong contact yung gusto mong i-edit yung kanyang information. So, for example, itap mo lang itong una. And then dito lang sa upper right side niya ay makikita mo dito yung tatlong dots. So, kailangan mo lang i-click yan. And then next, makikita mo kaagad dito yung edit contact or delete contact. So, i-click mo lang itong edit contact. And then ito na siya. So, una, andito yung contact details. So, pwede mo lang i-edit ito. Pwede mo lagyan ng kanyang first name, middle name, short name, nickname, yung kanyang email address, and then yung phone numbers. Alright? And then once na lagay mo na yung informations, and then click mo lang dito yung save. Alright? So, ganun lang po kasimple on how to edit contact informations on a Yahoo Mail 2024 guide. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.